What up, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're going to visit a very unique home in Alhambra. It's about 9 miles away from us. We've been street biking for about maybe 3 to 4 miles now. We're obviously using our Onyx RCR 41 amp battery. I think I'm already approaching El Monte now. I came from La Puente. This home is a fixer. You can look it up on Redfin or Zillow. It's a one bed, one bath home in Alhambra, but probably the most unique and strange at the same time home available. The address is 1340 East Main Street. But what's weird and unique about it is it's right underneath a bridge. The home itself is located right underneath a bridge. It's only going for 250K at this time, but we have a feeling that it's going to go for more. It's a popular, unique home. I think it has very good Airbnb potential. It's not your run-of-the-muck typical single-family home. And it's more like a studio. I came across it in the news a couple of days ago and been wanting to visit it. And instead of driving, I figure I would e-bike to it, because why not? I figure I'd save some gas and probably time. They have an open house tomorrow, but I'm not really, I'm pretty occupied tomorrow, so I'm not gonna go. I figure I'd go today, where hopefully it's not too busy. It's probably gonna be overbid, because especially it was in the news, but we'll see, you know. Again, it's a fixer home, one bed, one bath. It's only about 450 square feet, but it's located underneath a bridge in Alhambra. I kind of want to make a bid on it. By the time this video releases, it's probably sold by now, but you never know. I don't know. It's a slow market right now. Not a lot of folks are looking to invest. I have somewhat of an investment profile, so but I can't do it alone, so I might need a partner to go with it. I might need a family member or my sister, or even my aunt. But yeah, we're gonna drive there. Hopefully I get there safely. All right, we're pretty close by. We're in San Gabriel Town Hall, City Hall here, the Mission area. Some nice restaurants. They used to have a nice boba spot that I like here. I don't think they have it anymore. I think it was this one on my left. Let's make a left. All right, just past Golden Deli. Okay, it's right here somewhere. There it is. It's on the. It's Suddenly, Maine. So it's at the border cross of like San Gabriel and Alhambra area. I have to make a U-turn. So it's right over there, which is so weird. This house has no parking lot, no garage, no driveway whatsoever. You have to literally, I don't know, park somewhere else. Immediately right off the bat, there's a lot of road noise, right? I can hear a lot of road noise right now. And you're underneath this bridge. So I wonder what it feels like living there, underneath a bridge. Ooh, pho. Pho is good. So you can just walk to get pho. And Golden Deli. So here it is. This is the up patio. This is patios included, but this is your house already. This is the roof of the house. Douglas Lee, that's a contact number by Compass. Such a strange home. So that's the view of it. It looks like you're facing southwards. Sun sets that way, you're kind of blocked by this building, so It's in between commercial and apartments, it seems like, but you're your own area. Let me turn off my bike. So this is the entrance to the house. I just want to quick look. There's the CBS code. We're going downstairs, but this is it. Interesting. Yeah, so no one lives here right now. That's the entrance, and that's the view that you're getting. Alright, I'm not gonna leave my bike too long, but it kind of quiets down there. Like I didn't hear a lot of noise down there. But yeah, this is like a roof patio. It's so accessible to the public. If it was me, I'd buy it and I'd build on top of it to make it a second level, and then even maybe a third level to make it go higher up. I mean, it looks like those businesses also have patios, so your window looks out towards them, and it looks out in the canal underneath, the wash. I don't know, is this a home that you guys would buy? I like looking at everything and, positively, so it has potential, it has opportunities, but obviously as is, it's not going to be good enough. I wonder how much it'll end up selling. I have a feeling people are already bidding on it now. The sellers will probably choose a buyer soon. Typically something like this will only last like a week on today's market. Alright, it's funny, like the 5 minutes I was out here, there's like people driving by taking down the phone number, and there's actually an agent that just walked in and asked me if I wanted to see it. But I don't want to leave my bike out here. So it's going to be popular. It looks like seems like it's very appealing since it was in the news. Voted as one of the most unique home in Alhambra. Alright, we're gonna head home. It's about 12 miles to get back. Still showing at 78 volts. About 80%, 85% battery left. This is my, go-to commuter. Man, I really want that house. I would live in it too. It's something I would, after it's fixed up, it's like a bachelor's house. Comment below if that's a house you would buy. Let me know your thoughts on it. Very intriguing, very unique, and that's like a wow factor on Airbnb, which is something that I would plan on making that home if we were to ever get it. But yeah, we're behind. I don't think I think it's going to be overbid. Even though at today's times, for unique places like that, they're very popular. Anyhow, that's going to be in today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on a Super73, an arielrider, or your DIY bafang kit for those off-road adventures. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.